Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Emmanuel here, and I'm excited as always to have you back on the channel. Today we are looking at 12 affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2023. Yesterday I was talking about how you can make money from affiliate marketing, and the questions I'm getting is, okay, you have explained that affiliate marketing can give money, so where do I start from? What program do I sign up for? How do I start making money from this affiliate marketing? That is why I have come up with 12 best programs that you can begin with as a beginner. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you will not miss any of our video whenever we release it. Okay, so let's dive deep into today's topic, that is 12 affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2023. All right, number one is Amazon affiliate marketing program. It's called Amazon Associates. If you sign up for this affiliate program, you're going to be able to promote products across several industries that Amazon have on their store. So any product on Amazon store, you'll be able to promote it. Okay, all you need to do is just sign up and give them your details, and they will activate your account and you begin to sell. So once you sell any product, anybody clicks on your link and buys anything from Amazon, you get paid immediately. All right, that's number one. Number two is Canva. Canva is an online graphics tool, one of the best in the industry. In fact, the best actually. Canva does not have any rival as far as online graphics is concerned, and many of you are already using Canva. The question is, are you making money from Canva? So Canva has provided a way for you to make money from the platform by signing up for their affiliate program. So you can get people to buy Canva, that is, sign up for their premium, for their pro version, and get paid a commission when somebody signs up through your link. It's quite simple, it's straightforward, and of course Canva does their affiliate program through Impact Radius. All right, so if you go to Canva, they will take you to Impact and you sign up and you start selling. It's simple, straightforward, and that is it. Number three is Namecheap. One of my favorite. Namecheap is a hosting platform that sells domain, that sells hosting. So Namecheap has affiliate program for their product, their hosting product, VPN product, email services, and others. So when you sign up for their affiliate program, you earn up to 40% per sale, and it's on the first sale. That is, if somebody signs up using your link, the first purchase that person is going to make, you're going to make up to 40% commission. So Namecheap is it. I do Namecheap affiliate, and I've made a lot of money from Namecheap because my business has to do with hosting, and some of my students use the link, and so Namecheap is one of those products that I have been promoting, and it's very, very straightforward. They do it through 3 platform: Impact, CJ, that's Commission Junction, and Share Sales. So you can choose any of these platforms to be able to promote Namecheap products. Okay, number 4 is Envato Market. Envato Market is an affiliate program that promotes Themeforest. Themeforest is a market where you buy themes, WordPress themes, other platforms, other themes for your website. So if you are somebody who is into building website, or you have customers who build website, or you have students or clients, you can sign up for Envato Market and begin promoting Themeforest products so that people can buy theme through your link and you get paid. So anytime somebody buys a theme, you are getting a cut of the money they are paying to Themeforest. That is straightforward and simple, and they pay up to 30% per sale. All right, number 6 is eBay. Right, eBay partner program. eBay is a very popular e-commerce platform, right, where you can buy a lot of a lot of things, all right, where you can buy and sell a lot of things. So on eBay, they have a partner program whereby you can promote the platform. You can promote the products on the platform and get paid when somebody makes a purchase, all right? So sign up for eBay, start selling, and you make a lot of money, all right? Number 6 is Coursera. You know Coursera, the online platform where you can learn virtually anything, all right? High quality education and skills on Coursera. So you can help them promote the product they have on their platform. That's the trainings, right? They have on the platform. You can get your audience, your email list, your whoever you have as an audience to sign up and take a course on Coursera. When that is done, any money they pay to Coursera, you're going to get a commission as an affiliate. All right. Remember that all these things, all these programs I'm talking about, they have different approval terms and conditions. So it's when you sign up, you will see their terms. But I tell you, for a beginner, all this platform will get you signed up. Okay. If you do what I've told you in the previous video, setting up your platform, building your audience, it's very easy for this platform to approve you, so it doesn't take anything. Okay. Number 7 is Elementor. Elementor is a web site builder, right? It's a website builder that helps you to create beautiful website. In fact, I use Elementor. I teach my students to use Elementor because it makes the job very easy. So Elementor has an affiliate program whereby if anybody buys their pro plan through your link, you get paid, and they pay up to 40%. Okay? Elementor is a good product. All the products I'm sharing with you, they are products that are premium. Most of the products I have used personally and I'm still using, so they are not products that you struggle to sell. They sell themselves because they are premium products that offer value. So the clients, whoever is going to be signing up through you, will not regret doing that because the products you are selling, you are offering them are very good products. So Elementor is number 7. Number 8 is SEMRUSH or SEMRUSH, as the case may be. This SEMRUSH is an application that helps you to do digital marketing. All right, it's one of the best in the industry. It helps you to do competition analysis. It helps you to do keyword research. It helps you to do search engine optimization. It helps you to even run advert. There's a lot you can do on SEMRUSH. SEMRUSH is one platform that most affiliate digital marketers use because of the value it offers. It helps you to demystify what your competitor is doing. If you want to know what is the other person doing that I'm not doing, and you want to find out how to do it, if you use SEMRUSH, you will demystify your competitor because you are going to see all the keywords they are ranking for. You're going to see their traffic, the organic, the paid. You're going to see everything, how they are, getting those traffic, and how you can also do what they are doing or do something better to be able to, outsmart them. So SEMRUSH has an affiliate program, and they are very, very generous for their trial version. As a sign up, somebody signs up on the platform, you are going to get $10. If somebody buys their plan, you're going to get $200. How about that? How about getting $200 for a single sale? That is SEMRUSH for you. Of course, the product is expensive, that's the truth. But for those who need it, it's not really expensive. For those who know the value, it's not expensive. They will buy it. So SEMRUSH is number 8 affiliate marketing program for beginners. If you start with this program, you are sure to make your first dollar before the end of the month. All right, number 9 is Shopify. Shopify is a content management system that allows you to build online shop. So with Shopify application, you can quickly set up your online shop. It's very easy. Anybody can do it without any tech knowledge. Once you sign up on Shopify, you can create your online business almost immediately. And of course, you can get people, your audience, to sign up to this platform using your link. If anybody does that and pays, you get a commission. So all the products I'm sharing with you, they are products that most people, a large number of people, use almost every day. Every small business wants to be online. They want to sell online. And Shopify has made that possible. So through Shopify, you can make your first dollar as an affiliate marketer. Number 10 is NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the best in the industry as far as VPN is concerned, right? So many persons online, they don't want a trace of what, you don't want anybody to know where you are or what you are doing. You use a VPN. A VPN will make sure that your location is anonymous, right? So you can choose any location you like to be able to operate, because these days there are so many tracking going on here and there. So sometimes you may not want people to be tracking all your move online. So a VPN will help you. So that NordVPN is one of the best. In fact, they pay up to 90%, right? About 90% or thereabout for their sign up. So if you sell NordVPN, you are sure to make a lot of money, right? And the product is good. That's one beautiful thing about all this I'm showing you. They are product you sell without struggling. All right, NordVPN number 10. Number 11 is Market Health. Market Health. This one is in the health and beauty and cosmetic sector. They sell health products, supplements and all that. So if you are in the health niche, this is an affiliate program you need to sign up for. Fine, this program is not available to all over. It's not available for everybody all over the world, right? There are some countries that are restricted, but check the page and check if your country where you are watching this video from, whether you are restricted or you can join. And of course, go ahead and join if you can. If you cannot, well, there are still other programs you can join. I've listed a whole lot, so you can try some of them. But the good thing is that I have covered a lot of niches, right? From health to beauty to e-commerce to online business. I've tried to touch, some few niches so that you don't say, oh, Envato, you're just talking about online business or you're just talking about this. So I've tried to touch, so that depending on your sector, you have a program to sign up and begin making money. The idea is that, hey, you need to make money online. You need to make money from the comfort of your home. You need to make money without having to jump around the streets. That's the whole essence of making this video and sharing this value. Number 12, the final one on this list is Hostinger. Hostinger is a hosting platform, right? Just like Namecheap that I explained earlier. They are into hosting, they are into VPN and other services. So with Hostinger, you can start your affiliate marketing journey. They pay up to 60%, right? If you sign up on Hostinger and somebody buys their hosting plan through your link, you're going to get up to 60%. Guys, these are affiliate marketing programs that anybody, a beginner, can start with, and you are sure to make money. There's nothing complicated. You go to their platform, you sign up, give your information, and once they approve you, fine, you start selling. Once anybody buys through your link, you get a commission, and the payment is straightforward. There's no hidden charges. There's nothing complicated. It's straightforward, and I can show you because I do this thing, and what I'm telling you is what I'm doing. I've earned a lot of money from affiliate marketing, and I'm still earning. So that's why I want you to join so that you can start earning also. Guys, if you have found value in this video, what do? Remember to like and share the video with your family and friends and your audience. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and remember to turn on the bell notification so that whenever a video goes out, you'll get a notification, and of course, you'll be among the first to see the content. Till I come your way again,